Hey there my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how I get this very natural looking skin-like makeup look with a very affordable product. I'm going to show you how I do it from start to finish, so if you want to see, just keep on watching. Starting out first, I'm going to be moisturizing my skin. Today I'm using my Jergens Skin Firming Lotion. I'm going to put a little bit of this on my face, not enough to make me oily, just enough to make my skin a lot smoother and a lot more prepared for my makeup application today. Now for my brows today, I'm using two brow products. I'm using the Jordana Fabu-Brow pencil and the Milani brow tint pen. Both these shades are in dark brown. I'm going to use the pencil first. It comes with a brush. I'm going to just use the pencil to outline the top and bottom part of my brows. And anything I didn't fill in with the pencil, I'm just going to go over that with the brow tint pen. The brow tint pen is a lot more precise and the color shows up more. So I'm going to clean that up, of course, with the foundation stick from Black Opal, and this shade is in Rich Caramel. And I'm also going to use that to prime my eyelids to act as my base for my eyeshadow today. You guys already know neutral eyeshadow means a neutral base, right? So our first color today is this reddish brown color. Also used this in my last tutorial. I'm just going to sweep that into my crease with my large blending brush from BH Cosmetics, and I just want this color to show up really vividly, simply because we're not going to be using a lot of shadows. We're actually only using two. So after sweeping that into my crease, I'm taking my lid color, which is this Black Cosmetics gold eyeshadow, and I'm just packing that on my lid with my finger. It's a very natural looking gold, and since we're keeping it neutral, I'm just also going to take that right up under my brow bone just to give it a little bit of pop.
After about 20 plus, I knew that I could never settle down in one seat.
Alright, now I'm just lining my lower lash line and my upper lash line. I'm taking a regular eyeliner on my lower lash line, and for my upper lash line I'm making a winged liner, a very bold winged liner actually. I'm using the Color NB liquid liner from Jordana to do this. It is so precise and it's really affordable, guys. One of the best liquid liners I've ever used. Now I'm using the Super Sizer, I think that's what it's called, from Coverall. It's a really nice mascara with a very precise brush. You also can get this in like a Walgreens or a Walmart. I'm gonna be applying false lashes, so I just want to prepare my lashes first so that my lashes blend with my real lashes. Now the sun changed on me, so I'm looking a little bit orange, but don't mind that. I'm just priming my face with my Cover Up primer from Wet n Wild, and you can also get this at a Walgreens or a Walmart. Really affordable and very good. It mattifies the foundation extremely well, guys. The best primer I've ever used. So for foundation today, I'm using the Jordana Cosmetics Complete Cover 2-in-1. Yo, them foundation, your body, your fat, like they're really good. They give a very dewy skin like finish, so I thought that would be perfect today for the look that I was going for. Don't mind them, even though they're cheap, they look so flawless. I'm telling you, they're so good, and they have a very wide range of shades to choose from actually. So to highlight, I'm using the same Rich Caramel under my eyes, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, regular areas, and I'm just pressing this into my skin with a regular cosmetic wedge. When you're blending out stuff, don't drag and drop, just tap, just literally just tap it into your skin. That way the product doesn't go anywhere and you actually see what you're blending out instead of wiping it off. The contour today, I'm using one of my old favorites. This is my FOF Concealer Stick, and it's a tad, just a slight tad darker than me. That way it's a very subtle contour, so it has like a reddish undertone that makes it perfect to blend really seamlessly into my skin and look as natural as possible. So that's what I'm doing, just blending it out. Now I'm gonna bake with my CoverGirl Translucent Loose Powder. Now this shade, I think it's medium, I'm not really sure, but all I know is that no matter who I use this on, from the lightest to the darkest person, it just looks so flawless. So I'm just gonna let that bake for a while and then dust away the excess. And of course, to give my face a flawless matte finish that is very skin-like, I'm just gonna set my face with a this powder from Milani Cosmetics. It's their compact mineral powder, and this shade is number 110 and it's called Deep. It gives you a nice matte finish without making your makeup cakey. So first on my lips, I'm using this Haute Flash Lip Gloss from Milani Cosmetics. These are so cheap and they have such beautiful colors. I'm gonna just use that to give my lips a little bit of color. All I'm using today is gloss, so this is the first one. And then after I use that, I'm using my Black Up Cosmetics lip gloss also. All the details will be left in the description bar. I totally forgot the name of this gloss, but I know it's a number for sure. After I apply that and smooth that into my lips, I'm just going to align my lips with Chestnut Lipliner by MAC Cosmetics. And then going back into that reddish brown, I'm going to use that to follow up my contour and to mimic a blush kind of look, because I'm not really a big fan of blusher, and especially if you're going for something natural looking, then you know, something on the earthy side is always best. So I'm just going to blend that out with my fan brush. And of course, you guys know no look is complete without me adding my glow, and today I'm using this baked eyeshadow from Milani Cosmetics, and this color is called Copper Excess. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, the glow is so real, guys. Look at that. So beautiful. I'm also taking that down the bridge of my nose as usual, and my Cupid's bow, just to make everything pop and make that melanin glow as much as possible. Yep, also into my tear duct, guys. I love doing this. It really makes your eyes open up and look really alive. And that's all I do. You can spray your setting spray after this, but I'm gonna put my wig on. And yeah, that's basically how the look looks when it's done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like, follow my Instagram, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. And yeah, stay safe. Thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.